Morning guys, and welcome to another video from Money School. So today I'm going to be talking about launch jacking and how you can get started with launch jacking, how you can make money, the ways to get started, how to get approved for the offers, and everything like that. So first things before we start, please watch till the end, because if you don't you'll not grasp it all. Plus I'll put a little bonus in at the end for you. And please subscribe. If you're a subscriber from the beginning, you know that I'm trying to grow this channel using just a phone to see if it's actually possible, which I wish I'd never done because it is really hard. But apart from that, let's get going with the video. Okay, so launch jacking, what is it? So launch jacking is where people create softwares and then they upload them to the internet and they do big launches, and they get affiliates to promote their offers for them, and then normally at the end they have like a first, second and third place prizes for the best affiliates who've got the most sales. It's normally make money online, internet marketing type products, things like that. Yeah, that's basically what it is, and they're uploaded to a website called Muncheye.com. And as you can see, you've got on your left you've got big launches, and on your right you've got all launches. Now your big launches really should be once you've done a few videos, or once you've done a few reviews of these and promoted them a few times, then move on to these. But for beginners I would stick with all launches. And as you can see, you've got the dates. These are the dates when they're actually being launched, when they're actually becoming live, if you will. So if you're going to start and you're a beginner, you want to be looking at starting like 5 days from now. So it gives you 5 days to get a few reviews under your belts, get a bit of traction. So if you will come to, say, if it was me, I would come here, I would say the 18th of October, and I would just, any product, commissions, engage, let's press that. That takes you to this landing page here, and you've got this thing that says JV page, so you would just click on that, and that takes you to Warrior Plus, where you have to, where does it say, request approval here. So you have to request approval, and this is where you have to ask the people that are promoting the offer if you can actually be an affiliate for it. So what I would do is I would put, hi, my name is, and I am requesting approval to be an affiliate. And then you want to put, I am an intermediate affiliate marketer. I have a subscriber email list of about 1,500, and I want to do a review video and review blog of your product. And if you put that, 9 times out of 10 you'll be approved. But don't be disheartened if you don't get approved, because I've done loads and loads of sales on Maria Plus, and I still get told no, even now, so don't worry about it. But yeah, most times, I mean, these guys are in it for making money too, so if you put that, you should get accepted. And then, you would simply come to YouTube. And what I used to do when I first started is, whatever product I was doing, I would have a look at the reviews of the products. So there's a launch coming up of influencer marketing school, so I've just typed it in, and I watch maybe the top 4 videos, or however many videos there is to watch for, and it gives you an idea of what the product is about. Now if you can afford it, you're better off buying the product so you can actually get into it, or you can ask the vendor if you can get access to the product, so you can do your review video for it. But if you can't afford it and you don't get access, this is how I used to do it. I used to watch the videos, get an idea of what the product is, and then simply go to the sales page of the product, which is, you go back to Warrior Plus, you say you come to the product, press record on your laptop or your phone, and talk about the product. You know, what's good about it, how can you make money, and take what the other reviews have said and add it to your video, but don't copy them, because you won't get any sales. Just make it your own, and once you've done a few videos, your YouTube channel will start to get a bit of traction, especially if you understand how to write your descriptions right and put in your timestamps and everything. But yeah, apart from that, that's how to do it. Now, if you're not happy about being on a video, you can write review blogs. And if you're a beginner again, I would suggest going to a site called medium.com and write your reviews on there. Same thing, I would go to Google, I would put the product in and review, read it, or go to the YouTube channel, watch the videos, get an idea of what the product's about, and write your review. Do this day after day after day, and you'll start to get traction, especially if you'll see if you once you've written a few reviews, you should start getting a few sales. But apart from that, I can't think of anything else for today. I think that's everything. If I've missed anything out, please let me know. If you've any questions, please put them in the comments. I answer them all. And if you're stuck on anything, I'm happy to bring out another video and answer any of your questions. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow, guys.